So factoring by grouping, when I haven't already grouped the terms, will look like a polynomial such as this. So factor by grouping means kind of exactly that. Look for a way to group the terms first and then do a subfactor. So I'm going to group the terms like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to look to see what factors in just these first two terms. Notice that both of these terms share an x squared. So let's factor an x squared out of these first two terms. And then what's left is an x plus a 4. Let's look at the second term. My greatest common factor just between those two terms appears to be a 3. And then what's left is an x plus a 4. Grouping it in that way showed that now I have a common x plus 4 factor in both of these two sets of terms. So based on what we learned before, I can factor both of those out of both, which is an x plus a 4. And then what's left is an x squared plus a 3. It's kind of slick, kind of cool, but kind of confusing until you get the hang of what's going on. And what we're doing is we're just looking for other techniques to learn how to factor long polynomials. And one technique is called factor by grouping, where we look to figure out, can we group these terms in such a way that will produce a common factor.